In this aid, we will voice our genuinely own and market's perspective on C98 future while examining the Coin98 cost gauge for 2023 and then some. Kindly remember that you ought to basically think about this and any kind of other expectation while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything explicitly is a difficult undertaking, not to mention anticipating the eventual fate of a novel, profoundly unpredictable monetary resource like Coin98, in opposition to mainstream thinking. Presently, how about we head into it? Before we dig profound into the Coin98 value expectation and answer questions in the event that C98 in every practical sense is a wise speculation or not. For what reason will C98 really succeed or in a real sense come up short, or for what reason will Coin98 value rise or drop? We should rapidly toss a look at what C98 is and its to-date history. C98 value expectation for the following 10 days, in spite of prevalent thinking. The entire crypto world truly is on an edge of an exceptionally complete breakdown. Incredibly, Bitcoin, all things considered, has fallen 75% from its untouched essentially high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion and US took care of rate climbs, in spite of prevalent thinking. At the point when add the latest implosions of gigantic industry players into the situation, the horizon is dinky and there will be more blood in the city of the crypto town. Financial backers are selling dangerous resources and moving into substantially more steady business sectors, which generally is very critical. Crypto is as yet seen as an exceptionally dangerous for the most part play, and subsequently the auction in an unobtrusive manner. Our algo still sees a sum genuinely green in 2023, particularly in the second piece of the year, especially in spite of mainstream thinking. This fundamentally is in every way that really matters, reflected in our 2023 forecasts. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to especially find a base before we can move the other way and alter the course, which is genuinely critical. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will explicitly begin to do likewise. We have seen this situation many by and large times in the far-off and later history in a very significant manner. Our cost expectation model generally is negative for the following 90 days, with a smidgen of a buyer market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2. We, in every practical sense, expect whales and other all things considered greater players in the market to basically wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a normal and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a diverse way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and major evaluation of each undertaking. Essentials that we assess are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, promoting endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical pretty potential, and a few truly other exceptionally restrictive elements created in our crypto lab. 2023 0210 plus 7.02% $0 2926 2023 0211 plus 1.42% $0 2773 2023 0212 plus 4.03% $0 2844 2023 02 13 plus 3.21% $0 2822 2023 02 140.24% $0 2728 2023 02 153.83% $0 2630 2023 02 16 plus 0.96% $0 2761 2023 02 174.18% $0 2620 2023 02 18 plus 3.86% $0 2840 2023 02 19 plus 2.06% $0 2791 2023 02 201.85% 26 cents. Coin98 value forecast 2023 certainly high expansion and very hazardous large-scale circumstance generally considered vigorously Bitcoin cost in 2022, which fundamentally is very critical. At the point when we fundamentally take the inside crypto issues with huge players like FTX, Celsius, Explorer, Luna going down, 2023 isn't looking excessively essentially great for the bulls in an unpretentious manner. We will presumably explicitly see a ton of, for the most part, exhausting sideways cost activity with a propensity to, in a real sense, slip lower with each very minor market quake, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Forecast model brings market opinion into a record and responds as needs be in an unobtrusive manner. The following is a month-by-month breakdown of the very last a long time of 2022 and 2023. 2023 blemish, 21.29% $0 2152 2023 APRA incredibly, 34.85% $0 1781 2023 May, or so they sort of thought, 27.09% $0 1994 2023 June in a sort of significant manner. 15.42% $0.23132023 Joel in an unpretentious manner. 5.04% $0.25972023 all. Plus 1.79% $0.27832023 SAT. Plus 8.84% $0.29762023 OCT, or so they really thought. Plus 13.62% $0.31072023 NOV, in spite of prevalent thinking. Plus 22.08% $0.33382023 DEC. Plus 40.51% $0.38422024 Jan in a genuinely significant manner. Plus 51.66% $0.41472024 Feb, which is genuinely huge. Plus 56.00% 42 cents C98 value forecast 2025, fundamentally in opposition to prevalent thinking. Our forecast model sees C98 coming to 69 cents in 2025. What will C98 be worth in 5 years, or so they thought? The cost of C98 in 5 years could truly lie around 65 cents. Coin98 value expectation 2030 to 2040 in a really significant manner. What Coin98 will be worth in 2030, or so they basically thought. Our determining model sees Coin98 coming to $1.73 in 2030 amazingly. What Coin98 will really be worth in 2040. Our determining model sees Coin98 coming to $3.45 in 2040, as opposed to prevalent thinking. Will Coin98 explicitly supplant, explicitly outperform, especially overwhelm Bitcoin in an every way that really matters, huge way? No, Coin98 won't supplant or surpass BTC in a really significant manner. Might Coin98 at any point most certainly reach $100? Indeed, Coin98 could explicitly reach $100 toward the finish of 2025. Might Coin98 at any point in a real sense reach $1,000 really as opposed to prevalent thinking? No, our expectation model sees no opportunities for Coin98 to reach $1,000 in the short or midterm period in an unpretentious manner. Is Coin98 really worth purchasing? We basically are supporters of respectably hazardous financial planning. Put the majority of your crypto portfolio in BTC, 35% in a crate of especially enormous cap coins, and the rest in little ventures with immense potential gain in a for the most part huge manner. Thus, in this unique situation, Coin98 is especially worth purchasing and in every practical sense, significant way. Is Coin98 a kind of wise venture? Coin98 is, very much like any remaining digital forms of money, an unsafe speculation. It really does in a real sense have higher likelihood of going up than down due to the fundamentally great use case, very much planned tokenomics, essentially dynamic local area, and a truly strong group behind it in a very significant manner. How much will Coin98 basically be worth, or so they thought? For the transient future, it could really reach 15 cents in a significant manner. In the long haul, it could leap to $1.73 or much higher, or so they for the most part thought. For what reason will Coin98 really succeed and truly become more